This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to Ratan IT. My name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing COREJAVA assignments. In this video, we take the one assignment switch case. Because previous assignment regarding switch only, and this is very simple, guys. Just to take the two numbers from end user. Just to take the two numbers from what end user. Take the two numbers from end user. Print the take the operator from end user. Okay. Take the two numbers from end user, guys. Take the operator from end user. Print the result, guys. Based on the operator we need to print the result. Okay, based on the operator, print the result. If the operator is not valid, give the proper error information, right? Exactly. It's very simple. Take the two numbers from end user, enter the first number, enter the second number. So take the operator from end user, plus or minus, modular, division, subtraction, something like. So based on the operator, give the result, print the result. If the operator is not valid, give the proper error information, right? Exactly. I hope you understood the requirement, right? Just pause the video. You start write the assignment in rough notes. Get the point, right? Start the video and stop. Pause the video, guys. Pause the video and write the assignment in the rough notes. After that, once if you're done, you can start the video. Just you can check it whether it were written correctly or not. Because you got the point, right? Whether you written correctly or not. Like that. This is assignment using switch case. Okay. Because let me start the assignment. Let me write the assignment. Just to go for the like we are doing edit plus, writing the code in edit plus. Yes. Guess what the requirement? Check the requirement once. Take the two numbers from end user. Take the two numbers from end user means what? First of all, scanner class required. Scanner as equal to what? New scanner. The system dot what? In, right? The scanner as equal new scanner of system dot what? In. If system dot out dot, tell me system dot out dot what? Println. System dot out dot println enter first number. Enter first number, right? Exactly. Okay, these dots are mandatory. One of the guys commented that dots are mandatory. Just for the feeling purpose, I'm writing that data, right? Feeling important. Scanner dot what? Next enter. Scanner dot next enter. Then you can take the int num1, guys. Like this, you have to write the code. Tell me the second number. Tell me the system dot output dot println. Tell me your enter second number. Okay, fine. Enter second number, right? Exactly. Because after that, scanner dot next int of, then you can take the int num2, right? Guess into what num2 or not? Exactly. Because we got the num1, num2. I think we taken the two numbers from end user and take the operator from end user. Yes, so take the operator from end user. The system dot out dot println of enter the operator. Enter the operator plus minus enter the operator. Enter the operator is what? Enter the operator plus minus mod star modular division like this. What is the operator you want? Just you can enter the operator, guys. Enter the operators like this. Once you enter the operator, guys, can you please get that operator? Scanner that next method. Take that operator in which format? String format. String operator, right? Exactly. Guys, I think just take the operator, guys. Exactly. String format. Guys, then you can please take the switch case, right? What are the operator you taken? Give that operator the switch case. Switch off what operator you can pass. Switch off operator if you are passing, then here you need to write the code plus. Just you write the code for what plus, right? If operator is plus, see, if I enter the operator is a plus, operator is a plus, right? Then we are passing the character like plus operator here. If it is a plus, what we need to do? Tell me what we need to do. Just you can take the one result variable. then result equal to, tell me, result equal to what? Result equal to num1 plus what? Yeah, num2. That's it. Take any break it. Whatever case to tell me? Case, the operator is like minus. Minus means what? Result equal to num1 minus num2, right? That's it. Num1 minus num2. Very clear now. Num1 minus num2. Then you can write the break, right? Exactly. Yes, next one is what? Case you can write the star here. Star means what? So result equal to num1 star what? Num2, right? Exactly. Because you can write the break. Just we are making the operation, we are storing into result variable here. We are storing into what? Result variable, right? Exactly. Making the operation, we are storing into which variable here? Result variable or not? Exactly. Next one is what? Case modular operator. Case what? Modular. If you take the case modular, result equal to what? Num1 modular num2, right? Exactly. Then you can write the break, right? Every statement, just I'm adding the break statement here. Every case I'm adding the break statement, right? Yeah. Next one is what? Case if you write the division. Case if you write the division, then you can take the result equal to what? Num1 by num2, right? Exactly. Because here also you can write the break. I'm taking only arithmetic operators. Other than this operator, if any operator is passed, we need to give the message that the system dot output dot println of enter enter what? Valid arithmetic operator. Got the point, right? Enter valid arithmetic what operator, right? Exactly. So just you can add the break statement, right? That's it, guys. Enter valid arithmetic operator, right? Enter valid what? Arithmetic operator. Are you clear now? Yes, at last I'm printing the data. The system dot out dot println. You calculate result, right? Your your what? Your result. You can say here your result, your data na output result equal result plus we can take the result variable, right? Enough, guys. You got the clarity, right? This is the code exactly what I given to you guys. I think most of the Ratan sir students will write the code same way, expected the same. Otherwise, just you can take the notes after the class, after the can say, video completion. Java.util. Which class you need to write scanner class, right? Exactly. Java.util.scanner class, no? Yes, bus. Can you please save this code? Local disk D, the file is test.java. Just open the command prompt, local disk D. How to compile, guys? Java C test.java. This code is compiled or not compiled. Why? Num1 is required. Here num1. Okay, fine. That's not a big error. Code is compiled fine. Oh my god, my god. Might not have been initialized. This initial value can make it as a 0 better. When you get the message variable result might not have been initialized, then we can make it as a 0. Make it as a 0, right? Yeah. Now code is compiled fine. Java class is which class, test class. Enter the first number 34. Enter the second number 89. Enter the operator. I want plus operator. Click on result. Yeah. See guys, result equal to how much? 123. Correct? 123. 89. 123 correct only. Enter the result 23 and 23 and 12. Enter the operator. I want to enter minus. Because I want to enter what? Minus. See guys, 23 minus 12. 12. 11. Huh? Okay, fine. Okay, so enter the first number 34 10. I want to enter the operator is like slash. Because 3 now, yeah, 10 threes are like it written the coefficient value, right? Exactly. There's last one more time you can run this code. Yeah, code is compiled fine, code executed fine. Enter the first number is what, 20. Second number is what, second variable is what? 5. Then am I like, let me write the modular operator. Modular operator result is 0, right? Because the modular returns what, am I? Tell me yaar, what is the modular returns? Modular returns the modular returns what, am I? Remainder, right? Exactly. This division returns the quotient value. In Telugu we can say bhagafalamu. Bhagaharam means bhagafalamu. Modular returns what? A reminder. Reminder means Telugu you can say like seshamo, right? Something like this. Guys, are you clear now? Oh my god, this is a big one. Yeah. Guys, this is one of the assignment. Just slowly we need to write the code, guys. When you write these kind of assignments, you feel that you're able to write the coding, right? Yes or no? Yeah? Yeah. So please follow the videos, guys. You please write all the assignments. Hmm? Write all the assignments, guys. I hope everyone is clear about these assignments, right? So thank guys. Thanks for watching. For you, up to is important. For me, last 1 minute. Like the videos, like the videos. Comment the video. Subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Clear, right? Yeah. Bye, guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for the next question. Thank you.